what I've done is I've measured the width of the wall in 3 places, from the top, the middle and the bottom, to determine the average width, and that's what gave me my initial width line. So like I've got some few marks there that I've made from the Plumb now that it's stopped moving, and I could carry on all the way down, and from there, using the rolls that we've got down here, I actually put them along the bottom of the floor to see where the pattern would end at each side of the wall, because you don't want to be ending with a very thin strip of paper. So what I determined is that using this line, I will start putting the paper on this edge rather than having this be the center line and having the paper centered over it and then going either side.